permanently deleting a TikTok account. How to permanently delete your TikTok account. Intro. Thinking of leaving TikTok for good? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to permanently delete your TikTok account. Step 1. Open TikTok. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and log into your account. Step 2. Go to Settings, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the 3 lines in the top right and choose Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Open Account Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Account and then select Deactivate or Delete Account. Step 4. Choose Delete Account. You'll see 2 options, Deactivate or Delete. Tap on Delete Account permanently. Step 5. Confirm deletion. TikTok will show you what data you'll lose and may ask you to verify with your email or phone. Confirm the process and your account will be scheduled for deletion. Step 6. 30-day rule. Keep in mind, TikTok keeps your account in deactivated mode for 30 days. If you don't log in during that period, your account will be permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. Outro. And that's it. That's how you permanently delete your TikTok account. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe for more TikTok tutorials.